Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sigala. In this session, we learn the given character is uppercase or lowercase. So we have to check in C language. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now yes, is open a trap file menu, taking new file, and here our goal, write a program to check a character is upper case or lower case. So yes, you have to know understand first A to Z or ABCD or small or means capital ABCD or lower means small ABCD. So that is uppercase and lower case that you have to know very well. So yes, we can start directly to our program, and that is a first our header file. So stdio.h, and then yes, so that conio console input output.h, and then void main. And now we can define yes here only one variable, and that is a character ch, and then clear the screen. Yes, and then first we can give one message. So we can say that enter one alphabet. Yes, so enter one alphabet, or you can say that enter one character. So and then ch, and get chr. So that's the perfectly. You can also use scanf function, and here you can use else if ladder logic. So ch is greater than equal to 65. Yes, you have to know first capital ABCD A to Z. So that is a ASCII code we have to compare. So ch is less than or equal to 9. So we can say that the upper case, yes, that character is uppercase. So we can say that uppercase, and also we can print to our ch variable. So uppercase, and else if, that again if condition. So ch is greater than 97. So that is a small a, and that is 122. So small z. So I copy this line and paste. So that is a, we can say that lowercase. So that is a lowercase character, and we can say that in else. So we can print just message, or that is a invalid character or invalid alphabet, or we can say that just invalid input. So many message you have to provide. So invalid character, invalid alphabet, or invalid input. Yes, so that is a finish. Yes, very simple. So here we can just that is, we can say that else if letter syntax, and that is our goal. So yes, I save, and that is, we can say that check, that is a alpha. So check alpha, and yes, maximum we can say that 7 or 8. Yes, here 7 is there. So now let us I compile. Yes, there is no error, and let us I give capital A. So that is uppercase. Yes, now we can give small a. So that is a lowercase, and now I give the @ sign, but that is an invalid input. So yes, I think that is very easy, simple definition. So you can understand we have to just check one character is a uppercase, lowercase, or that is a invalid input, means that is symbol or digit. So let us, we can enter like 9. So that is an invalid input. So you can enter only alphabet, upper or lower. We have to check in this session. So yes, H, and then capital H. So you can look uppercase. So yes, that is a finish. So very simple. I think you have to understand. So that is else if ladder logic, and just my goal. You can recognize your ASCII code of capital A to Z and small a to Z, and else if ladder syntax of this session. So now I can close this file and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sejal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.